Let's talk about increase. It means working 2 single stitches into the same stitch. In this round, we're going to work 6 increase stitches in each of the 6 stitches from the first round. Now let's work on the first increase. Pinch the bottom of that first stitch with your thumb and middle finger. Then insert the hook, yarn over, pulling the yarn through that stitch. Another yarn over, then complete the first single crochet stitch. Now, in that same stitch, work another single crochet stitch. If you're having trouble finding the stitch now, keep pinching here, and pull your hook. You see there's a tiny hole, that's where your hook just went in. Now the second single crochet. Okay, an increase stitch is done. Let's go ahead and place a stitch marker on the first stitch.